I love making my own sauces, and that includes sweet chili sauce. This recipe is so easy to do, but you will need a lot of chilies. So in here, I've got 300 grams of chilies, and I have placed them in the blender. I take the seeds out of half of the chilies because you don't want to be too hot. The remainder, I leave the seeds in so it's perfectly balanced. And you can chop this by hand, or you can place it in the blender and finely chop it just like I've done, just to speed up the whole process. Now I'm changing it up today and cooking on my induction because I want a high heat to start with, and then turn this down to a really low heat to gently cook the sweet chili sauce. So in with our chilies first, and some ginger, and I like quite a lot of ginger in this that I've finely chopped. And this is where you can be creative with what you want in your sauce. If you don't want ginger, you don't have to add it. You could also add some capsicum to this. Lots of garlic for me, so 3 or 4 cloves, again, finely chopped. And because it is a sweet chili sauce, we need some sugar. So caster sugar, about 150 grams, and vinegar to balance it out. So a good amount of that goes in. It does look like a lot, but it does even out with that sugar. A splash of water. And now this goes on a high heat, and this is going to come to the boil. So once it comes to the boil, I'm going to turn it down, pop the lid on, and cook it for about 40 to 45 minutes. Okay, this is cooked now. You can see it's still that gorgeous, vibrant colour, but you can see it's just slightly watery, and we want this to be glossy and a little thicker. So the trick is to add some corn flour or some potato flour. So I've got about a teaspoon here, a splash of water in the bowl, and we'll just dissolve that together to make sort of a thinnish paste. And you do want your induction to be on a medium to low heat, just some gentle bubbles. So I'll just turn that up slightly. And then we'll add our corn flour mixture, constantly stir it, and you'll see it will progressively start to thicken as it is now. Okay, this is ready to go. You can jar it, give this to a friend as a gift. I'm gonna place it in this gorgeous little glass. The best way to get it in here is just to use a funnel, and I'll just slowly pour that in. And see how neatly it is to transfer that. That is how you make a perfect homemade sweet chili sauce. And the only thing that's missing here is maybe some spring rolls to go with it.